Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be unboxing my monthly ER order for you guys, which ER stands for Essential Rewards. If you guys are new around here and you don't know, I am obsessed with Young Living. I'm obsessed with essential oils. I'm obsessed with non-toxic products. So I'm a member with them and I get an order every single month. I know a lot of you guys on here that follow me also get ER orders every month, so you're always curious to see what I am picking up each month, and I'm also curious to see what other people are getting. I'm like so nosy, I always want to know. Essential Rewards is awesome. It's like Christmas every single month when my order shows up on our doorstep. We get so much of just like our household stuff through Young Living now, and then obviously oils as well, and you get like points back that's like store credit, and it's just like really awesome, and I'm obsessed. So I place an order every single month and like I pick it out. It's not like a subscription service or anything. It's literally just like what we need, what we want. So I'm gonna share with you guys everything that I got for the month of May. Okay, first things first, we got a box of Zing. We get this every month. You guys know the drill. I've showed this every month I've done these videos. Zing is Young Living's energy drink. Matt is obsessed with those. He loves drinking those a lot of the time, like in the afternoon, and they're like clean ingredients and not like the regular typical ones out there, which I'm like not really a fan of as far as, you know, nutrition and ingredients go. So we love the Zing. Okay, so then I'm just gonna start going through products. So I got a big bottle of the Thieves hand soap refill. So we have Thieves hand soaps at all of our sinks throughout our house. We love it. It's a foaming soap. It's like really moisturizing. It doesn't dry out your hands, and it has thieves in it, so it gets rid of like any of the ick. It smells so good too. It smells like cinnamon. Anyway, so this is the refill for it. You can also like totally DIY it yourself, but honestly this is just easier. And I really like their formula, so I got a big old bottle of that. Also picked up, this is a new product for me. It's the Animal Sense shampoo. Animal Sense is Young Living's like pet line. They have oils for pets, they have treats, they have shampoo, they have like ointments, all kinds of stuff. And I know there's like a lot of scary stuff on the internet about essential oils and pets, and that's because there's some scary stuff out there on the internet. But it really comes down to like quality of oils. A lot of the horror stories that are like floating around the internet are people who bought oils like on Amazon, which they're not, that's not real oils. So you gotta make sure you're doing your research. But I obviously use oils all throughout our house. We diffuse, and we have a doodle Rosie who's like the center of our lives, except for Hayden. She's of course the center of our lives too. But Young Living has a veterinary advisory board. It has 2 veterinarians and then also a pharmacist on it, and they like review all of their products to be used on pets and everything. So that just gives me a lot of peace of mind. So if you're wondering and you think I'm crazy for using oils around my dog, don't worry, I've done my research and I'm totally cool with Young Living and I've never had any problems. Okay, we also got some of the Shutron shave cream. This is for Matt. This is what he used to shave his face and he loves it. He has a lot of the Shutron, which is kind of like one of the men's lines. Okay, and then I got a new bottle of the Savvy Minerals Misting Spray. This is for their mineral makeup, which is what I use. I use almost all Savvy, and it's literally like, it makes your skin, like I don't have highlighter on. This is just like the makeup and like the glowiness of their, it's just, I'm obsessed with their makeup. It's like almost all I use. I have makeup tutorials on both of my Instagrams, both my oily one and my regular one, if you want to see how I do like my everyday look. But this is like key for the mineral powder foundation, so I needed a new bottle of that. Okay, this product I am so excited about, and I haven't been able to use it because I've been waiting to unbox it, so I'm gonna try it tonight, and I'm so excited about it. And that is the Sheer Lume Brightening Cream from the Art line. So let me show you. It's basically just like a little pot of cream. And this has been out of stock for a really long time, and everybody was so sad that it was out of stock who had been using it, because it's apparently amazing for brightening skin. So I'm super excited to try this. I'm such a skincare junkie, and one of the things I love most about Young Living is they have so many different skincare products. So I can like get my fill of like trying out different lines and different products and like pairing different things together, which I love to do, but I don't have to like use any of the chemical stuff anymore, which is amazing. Because a lot of like the natural stuff out there is just like really simple, like, you know, like a normal face wash and like a face oil, and there just isn't like a whole lot of like different products to try, which I love to do. So that's like one of the reasons I love Young Living skincare, is they just have so much to offer. So yeah, super excited to try that, especially for, I'm gonna use this as I would like a serum or like a spot treatment kind of thing. I'm not gonna use this as like a moisturizer, even though it kind of looks like a moisturizer. I can show you guys like what it looks like. It's just like a cream, and it smells really good. But yeah, so I have some like dark spots under my eyes, like very visible sun damage, so I'm really excited to try it on those and see if it helps kind of brighten things up. Okay, we got another big bag of the protein powder. This is the Pure Protein Complete, the chocolate flavor, and it's so good. We order this I think almost every month because Matt eats it every single day. He makes protein shakes every single day. I have a protein shake now and again, and it's delicious. It's like really tasty protein powder. The ingredients are good. It has a mix of different types of proteins, which I like. It has both whey protein, goat whey protein, egg white protein, and then also some plant proteins, pea and hemp seed protein as well. So I like that it's a mix, and it's really tasty. It doesn't have like a gross aftertaste. It's not chalky. And I also love the vanilla spice one. I've been using that actually in my oatmeal recently. If you watch my latest What I Eat in a Day, I show you like the oats that I've been making recently with that protein, and they're so good. Okay, now I've got some supplements to share with you guys. So first we have multigrains. Both Matt and I take these. It's like a concentrated, like it's like green powders in a capsule. So like you know, I can like buy green powder and like drink it in water. It has barley, spirulina, alfalfa, kelp, that kind of stuff, but it's in capsule form, so love that. I also picked up Life 9, which is Young Living's probiotic, and I take this every single day. Also picked up Super B, which is a B complex. I take this every day as well. It can be really good for some, like helping with your energy levels, but then one of the things I love about this most is that it has regular folate, not folic acid, which is really important to me. If you want to know why, I talk about that in depth on my like pregnancy nutrition supplement video, or pregnancy supplements video. It's super important to not consume the fake stuff. You want the real stuff. So that's why I love that, among other reasons. And then the last supplement, this is new to me. This is called Mineral Essence, and it's basically like a liquid supplement with all different kinds of minerals. So I've heard really good things about it, and I kind of just wanted to try it for myself. And obviously it's important to get all minerals. Of course you can get tons from food, but I figured this would be kind of cool to try. I heard it doesn't taste very good, so I'm going to mix it in with like a shot of Ningxia, which I drink every single day. It's like it's basically like a antioxidant, extremely rich in antioxidant puree. It's like a goji berry puree from Young Living, obviously, and we drink that every single day, and we love it. I never show that in my hauls because I got a ton of it for free, and then now I pretty much just purchase all my Ningxia with my like rewards points, which is like the store credit you get when you're on Essential Rewards, because I don't know, I like to get it for free. Okay, so then I'm gonna go through some oils. So every single month, I'm gonna show you the ones that I've been ordering. So every single month I get a bottle of lemon, without fail, every month. I diffuse this constantly. Matt uses a ton of lemon, so got lemon. And then the other one is grapefruit. This is probably my most diffused oil out of all the oils. I love the smell of grapefruit diffused. I mix it with everything, literally everything. And I just love like a grapefruit heavy diffuser blend. It just smells so good. It's happy, it's bright, makes your house smell clean. It's just my favorite. And then I also picked up Juvaflex. I've been keeping this on my order every month. This is a good oil for like liver support. This is a good one to look up in your reference guide, if you have your reference guide. So I've been using this topically, and I've been going through it kind of quickly, so I ordered another one this month. And then everything else in here, we got all for free. So when you're on ER, they have promos. Young Living has promos every single month. It's kind of like a like, I don't know, like a tradition that they do. And every month on the first of the month, they announce like all of the free things that you can be eligible to get for free, depending on how much you spend. So if you spend like a certain amount, the more that you spend, the more free stuff that you get, kind of. So it's really cool. And we order so much of our household stuff anyway, like that we would have bought at Target or on Amazon or wherever. So it's kind of cool because we usually end up hitting like the highest number and we get all the free stuff just for ordering stuff that we would have been ordering anyway. And Amazon doesn't give me free stuff, and neither does Target. So that's really cool. So the first thing that we actually got two, because we always place two separate orders, one on my account, one on Matt's. Two of the Thieves Aroma Bright toothpaste. So I love the Aroma Bright toothpaste. It's really good. It's kind of like sweet tasting though. It's like different than your traditional toothpaste. The most traditional tasting one is Dentarome Ultra, and that's what we use most of the time to brush our teeth. However, I love having these mini ones because they're perfect for travel. They're only 2 ounces, so you can fly with them. And we have a lot of travel coming up this summer. We always travel a lot throughout the summer, so I was gonna have to buy these anyway. So now I got 2 for free and we should be pretty set. Okay, so that's toothpaste that we got for free. Other oils we got for free. We got a lavender, which is awesome because we go through this anyway and would have had to purchase it, so it's really nice to not have to pay for it. Sleep, skin, we use this for all kinds of stuff. I diffuse it every single night for sleep. And then we also got a bottle of patchouli, which is also really, really good for skin. It's also good to just diffuse too. This is kind of like a classic, like earthy, woodsy scent. So patchouli. And we also got geranium, which there's a lot of good things geranium can do. So, I mean, I feel like all oils have like a million different uses, but I just recently learned a lot about geranium, so I want to share. So first off, it smells like flowers. It's like the best oil to diffuse if you want your house to smell like fresh flowers. So, so good. It's also really good for skin. So this is a good one to add to, like, if you want to make like a DIY like glow serum, like with some argan or jojoba or rosehip oil, and then just add some geranium and some other oils, whatever. But geranium is really good for skin. Another thing is ticks hate geranium. So if you're gonna be spending a lot of time in the outdoors this summer and you live near trees, woodsy type areas, which I feel like is everybody unless you're in a city, geranium is going to be your best friend. You can make like a little DIY spray, or just, you know, use geranium. And then also something I recently learned is geranium is actually really good at helping the body rid itself of chlorine. So if you or your family spend a lot of time in pools throughout the summer, this is a really good oil to have on hand. Just, let's see, do you have to dilute it? No, you don't have to. Every bottle has dilution instructions, by the way. It just says apply 2 to 4 drops directly to desired area, and that's for adults. So you can put this right on the bottom of your feet. If it's your kids, I would mix it with a little coconut oil before putting it on, but put it right on the bottoms of the feet or wherever on the skin, and will help the body like detoxify itself of chlorine, which I thought was really cool, which your body does that anyway. But if you can help, you know, the process along, why not? It gives your liver a little bit of help. And then we also, there's still more free stuff. We got charcoal bar soap, which I'm super excited about because Matt was like, hey, can you order one of those for this month? And then I saw it was free and I was like, oh, I don't have to. Because he uses this in the shower. It's bar soap obviously, but it has charcoal in it. It's really detoxifying. So if you have acne prone skin, whether it's your face or it's your body, this is good to use. And Matt just like sweats a lot. Like he's just like, you know, he goes to the gym a lot. He just sweats a lot. He's always outside. Like, you know, right now he's mowing the lawn, so he's gonna probably be full of sweat. So he likes to use this just to keep his skin, you know, clean and happy. And then also, this is so handy if you are like in the process of switching to an all natural deodorant and you kind of stink. This is gonna be your friend. Keep this in the shower and wash your armpits with it. I swear to God, it's gonna be like a game changer for you, because nobody wants to smell, right? But also nobody wants to use like aluminum and fragrance-filled deodorants. So, okay, and then for free as well, we also got Blue Cypress. You guys, this smells so good. This is new to me. I've never had this oil. Oh my gosh, it smells good. So I'm really excited to have that as well. It smells like a tree oil, but I don't know. It smells really good. So Blue Cypress also for free. Crazy, crazy. And then we got a bottle of tea tree for free as well. This is, I believe, this is maybe like Matt's 6-month ER order. So when you join the ER like program. By the way, you can cancel this at any time. It's like pretty casual. So for 3, 6, 9, and 12 months of consecutive orders, they always send you a free oil, which is pretty cool. So that is why we got tea tree, which is pretty awesome. This is so good as a spot treatment. Another way to use this is just kind of random, but if you ever like have sweaters that smell like musty, or like really anything that smells musty, I had a couple sweaters that I tried to wash myself and they just smelled gross. I took a little bit of tea tree in a spray bottle with just like a little bit of water. I spritzed them down and I hung them up outside in the fresh air, and it like wiped out the musty smell. Pretty cool. So a lot of handy things you can use tea tree for. Okay guys, so that is everything for my May Essential Rewards order. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Maybe you got some good ideas for your order, and if you haven't signed up yet and you've been like, girl, I kind of want these oils, but I think you're a little crazy and I'm not sure, and you know, all those things, I'm telling you, just get them. I will get you into our Facebook groups. Oils are the best, and literally everybody, I swear to God, almost everybody who finally ends up signing up and getting their starter kit, they always tell me, they're like, why didn't I do this sooner? I'm like so mad I drug my feet for so long. And I'm like, yeah, me too. I did the same thing and I regret it too. So just get your oils. You're gonna love them. It's the real deal. They're awesome. They're life-changing. They will change you just like they changed me, and I'm so excited if you want to get started. I always have my link down below. Grab your kit, girl. Let's do this. It'll be awesome. Okay? So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!